So today we are going to do tapping meditation. I think last time you had one glimpse of that. Today we will be doing that tapping meditation. So let me quickly tell you the instructions. So here I'll show the tapping meditation. Be open and open to the experience as this is new. So you can either tap on the points or just imagine in your mind, just focus on those points. I'll just quickly show you the points. So only few points are there. So throughout the meditation I'll be telling the specific points. So if it is eyebrow, then you have to tap here, and eye, edge of the eye here, and under the eye here. You can use two fingers or three fingers also you can use. So it's very easy, like this you can tap, or under the nose. This is again under the mouth, and this is the top of the head, and these are the at the collarbones. You can just use the whole hand like this, and under the arm, just 3-4 inch under the arm, this arm, underarm, and 3-4 inch under the arm you can tap. Or else you are not comfortable with tapping, same effect you will get by just focusing on the points. So you can do that also. Let me again repeat. So this is the side of the hand. So you can tap like this. At the starting, I'll first start with this, then the eyebrow point, then this is the edge of the eye, and this is the under eye, under the nose, then under the mouth like this, and this is the collarbones, and under the arm. So I do usually focusing on the points, that also gives full effect. So that also you can do, and this is the over the head. So like this you can do, and so that's all I think. We'll start. And yeah, before that, today I'm going to do regarding guided meditation regarding this anxiety and stress related to any issue. So it can be any issue in your life. I'm taking the example of the finances. So take some time to think something which is going on in your mind, anything, that issue constantly in your mind, which is troubling you, or which is a problem. That issue you can just think now and keep it in your mind. So wherever I say the issue, so you can replace that with your you can think of your whatever issue it is. So I'll be saying finances, about finances. I have taken the example of finances. So you can replace that with any of the issues. So that way you can do. And so it's like guided meditation only. We will start. So first we will start with the shloka.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
So you can sit in any comfortable position. You can sit on the chair. Be comfortable and relaxed. So let's start with focusing on the breathing. Do normal breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, another point I wanted to add, you can also, if you are tapping, you can also use both the hands like this. Okay, like this, edge of the hand, like this. Okay, like this. So any side you can do. You can do right side of the points or left side of the points. Okay. Okay, let's start. So please remember any issue you want to focus on in this meditation. Any issue which is uh, worrying you or giving you stress or anxiety. It can be finances or any other career, profession, or personal issues. Any issue, please take few moments and think about that issue. Let us focus on that issue today. So in this meditation, we will be focusing on stress and anxiety you may be feeling about your finances, loans, money, and other financial challenges or any other challenges you are facing. We often think by worrying about the issues we are having, we think we can get the outcomes. So that worry can be anything related to finances or any other areas of your life. The latest brain research has shown that when you are under so much stress, you don't think clearly. You cannot think clearly. This means that you cannot take smart decisions and creative decisions. By releasing the stress and anxiety, we can become more resourceful and innovative. So, by doing so, we can get solutions to our financial problems or any other problems. So, now think the situation where you are more stressed about, more tension, you have more tension. It can be about your finances or any other issues in your life. Think specifically what causes you the most stress. Feel any stress or tension you are holding in your body. What is that specific thing that you get when you think about that? You get most stress and tension. Now rate on a scale of 0 to 10 how stressful and anxious you are about your financial issues or any other issues right now. Rate on a scale of 0 to 10. I hope you have rated it on the scale of 0 to 10. So let's start. Take one gentle breathe in. Let it be deep breathe. Deeper than you normally breathe, not forceful, gentle breathe in. And breathe out. Now focus on the side of the hand and repeat after me, either in your mind or aloud. First, we will start with the negative statements. Truth about your situation. What are your real issues? Let us start with those thoughts and statements and your feelings. We will just acknowledge it. We will not engage with them. Just notice them and let them go. Later on, we can start with positive statements. So, first, side of the hand. Even though I am feeling all this stress because of my financial situation, or say whatever it is your issue. Wherever I say financial situation or issue, you can replace that with your real problem or issue you are facing. Even though I am feeling all this stress because of my financial situation, I accept myself and respect how I feel. Side of the hand, continue with that. Even though I feel sense of not enough finances or not good enough, I love and accept myself. If you can't relate to saying I love, then you can say instead I accept and I respect. I accept and I respect myself. Again, on the side of the hand, even though I feel all of this tension in my body, especially when I think about my finances or your issues, I choose to relax and save now. Now, focusing on other tapping points. Eyebrow. It's been so hard. Focus on the side of the eye. It always feels like a struggle. Under the eye, I never feel I have enough. Under the nose, and then I panic. Under the mouth, all of this stress and anxiety. Collarbone, all of this stress in my body. Under the arm, part of me feels like I need this stress. Top of the head, in order to change things, again focus on eyebrow. I feel like I can't let go this financial stress or whatever issues which you are focusing now. Side of the eye, until the problem is solved. Under the eye, but it is hard to find solutions. Under the nose, when I am blinded by this stress. Under the mouth, I honor and respect how hard this has been. Collarbone, and I have been doing the best I can. Under the arm, but stress and panic have not solved this problem. top of the head. So I am open to new way. Now let's go back to gently tapping eyebrow point again. And I am going to ask you few questions. Just answer in your mind, then I'll guide you to the next points. Don't worry, it's not required that you get perfect answer to each question. Just keep tapping and trust the process. Trust the process of letting go of these stresses. Start tapping on the side of eyebrow. What is it that in your financial situation or any issue you are worrying about that stresses you the most? Focus on the side of the eye. Where do you feel the stress in your body when you think about your situations? Where do you feel the stress in your body when you think about your situation? Under the eye, what might change in your life if you are able to, even before your financial situations are solved, to release some of these stresses? And be present to know your body feels, how it feels, especially to any resistance of letting go of these stresses and panic. Usually old habits stay longer. The more you let go, the more you can create what you want in life. Under the nose, can you imagine yourself releasing the stress and opening up yourself to new situations? How different might you feel if you are able to do that? Imagine that happening now. Under the mouth, see yourself releasing the stress, tension, and panic from every cell in your body. Collarbone, notice with every tap you let go these old patterns more and more. We are so conditioned to think that we have to stress and panic and think these negative thoughts in order to create these solutions. We think that the more we worry of our problems, the more we can make it go away. But as I said at the beginning of this process, the latest brain research tells that under stress, we don't think clearly, we get stuck in these old patterns. There is greatness within you when you release this stress. When you release this stress, you'll get creative solutions. There are ways to create what you want in your life. And this is the first step in taking it now. Under the arm, feel that strength and confidence and sense of calmness in your body. Imagine yourself creating what you want in your life. Top of the head, create this vision of new yourself and your new self and new self that feels grounded and relaxed in every moment. No matter what challenge you are facing, and a new self that has a deep storage of calmness and confidence. The new self knows you can create what you want in life. You can release this old stress and old patterns about stress, anxiety, and panic around your finances or any issues around all the issues in your life. You can create the freedom you want in your life. See that happening now. Now let's go back to the eyebrow and end with some positive affirmations. Repeat after me in your mind or aloud and feel these affirmations, make them the truth of who you are. Focus on eyebrow. I begin to notice the abundance all around me. Side of the eye, I feel confident and empowered. Under the eye, I give myself permission. Under the nose, to imagine the positive future. Under the mouth, even before anything else changes. Collarbone, I feel free to imagine the possibilities. Under the arm, I am abundant. I feel that now in every cell of my body. I feel that abundance flowing through it. Top of the head, I create my destiny. Feel that. Feel these affirmations. How does it feel? That strength and confidence by creating your destiny. You can control. It's in your control. You got this, and you are in control. When you are ready, you can gently stop tapping and take a deep breath. Now let's check back on the stress and tension and panic that you are feeling because of any issues, financial or any other issues in your life. How strong is that now? On a scale of 0 to 10, any shift down in the number means that you are moving in the right direction. If your number is still higher, then repeat the tapping now or later. You can repeat focusing on these tapping points and all these things. What you said now, you can just repeat by focusing on these tapping points whenever you get time. By doing just few minutes of this tapping, you will reduce your stress and anxiety, and your brain will be back online with more clarity. By this, you can think more clearly and make better decisions and create the financial destiny or whatever you want in life that you can only make. Whatever is that you want in your life, what you want in your life, that you can do it clearly when your head is clear. So pay attention for a couple of days how your attitude and decision making changes. It can be subtle, but when you recognize it, you can feel proud that you created this positive change in your life. So until next time, whenever you get time, please keep tapping. So this is the end of today's session. So thank you for joining me and experiencing this tapping with me. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this and you created a new possibility for yourself. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrutyorma mrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.